Okay, here's help with tonight's homework, Unit 10, Lesson 3, Independent Practice. This is all about bar graphs. The first one I want to do is number 1. We have a bar graph, Super Bowl snacking bar graph, different snacks and how many millions of pounds were eaten. I can tell that from the label on the y-axis, millions of pounds. It goes from 0 to about 11. And then my label on my x-axis is snacks, and then each of the individual bars are labeled potato chips, tortilla chips, and pretzels. So question 1 asks, if each pound of pretzels costs 54 cents to produce, what was the approximate production cost for pretzels? So the approximate production cost would be 54 cents a pound times the number of pounds. And looking at the bar graph, I'm using a copy of the homework just like you are, so I'm going to need to use some kind of straight edge because the lines didn't copy very well, but it looks like for pretzels it's just a little over 4 million pounds. You could use a straight edge or something to take you over to that y-axis to see how many pounds. It's about 4 million pounds. Since the question says the approximate production cost, we could use 4 million pounds as the approximate number of pounds, millions of pounds, 4 million pounds, and then each pound costs 54 cents. Well, since the question asked for the approximate, that's 54 cents is about half a dollar. So half of 4 million would be $2 million. It's okay to approximate like that since the question didn't ask for a specific or an exact amount. If each pound of pretzels cost $1 to produce and we had 4 million pounds, it would be $4 million. But since it costs half that much, half a dollar, 1/2 of 4 million would be 2 million, so $2 million. On the other bar graph on the back side, we have amusement park attendance as the title of the bar graph, and then attendance on the y-axis going up to almost 600, and ages of the people that attended the amusement park. So kids under 2, kids 2 to 5, 6 to 12, 13 to 19, and then older than 19. So let's just do one of these. These are all true-false questions. You're supposed to read the question and then look at the bar graph to determine whether the statement is true or false. So number 5 says, half as many children under the age of 2 attended the amusement park as children aged 6 to 12. So how many children under the age of 2 attended? 175. How many children aged 6 to 12 attended? 350. So is 175 half of 350? 350 divided by 2. $175 is 1/2. If you divide 350 by 2, you get 175. So 175 is half of 350. So the statement is true. Okay, I hope that helped with the homework. See you in the morning.